What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am here. We are at year 5.5 with our vinyl plank floors over tile. I haven't done a video on this in a long time because, well, I usually don't do videos on vinyl plank floors, but I'm doing this for you because you've asked for it. Here we go. This is the vinyl plank and the tile floor that we went over. We used this underlayment that we got with the floors. It's like a felt top and a rubber bottom. I guess it keeps it from water from going underneath it. Not sure exactly. I'm not a flooring specialist, but it has gone well. We've had it like for 5.5 years now. We have probably 30 to 50 people here every weekend night as well, so it has a lot of traffic on this floor as well. So when we come out here, you can see we did our whole dining room, kitchen, hallway, and bathroom. Mainly where you see wet areas in your house is where we put it. We're seeing a little bit of bowing in it. I guess, you know, if you look for it, you can find it. It's there. I'm really happy with the way the floor is held up over the years. And if you come into the bathroom, what we did in here as well, it's held up very well. And this is where it gets very humid and damp as well. So any bowing that would be in here, which you don't see much of it because they're so close together, everything's in such a tight spot that everything fit really well. Now, it's not the thickest vinyl floor you can get, but it's not the thinnest either. It's somewhere in between the highest quality and medium, so it's somewhere in between. I wouldn't, if I was going to go directly over vinyl floor, I probably wouldn't get the cheapest kind. We used another vinyl plank flooring over my friend's at my friend's house. He did his whole house over vinyl plank over his tile, and he had the cork board. That seemed to be even better than this stuff that I showed you. But if you come in here, you can see that there has been a little bit of a buckle right here. You got to really look for the parts that find it. But there's a little buckle right here to push on it, and that's not from the vinyl, or it has nothing to do with the flooring. That's just actually where it we may have put the vinyl plank too close together, maybe too tight, and when it heats up, it expands and it buckled there. So yeah, if you really look for things around the floor, yeah, you'll be able to find little nooks and crannies, but nothing that's so bad that you got to pull the floor back up and redo it. Now this floor here was not perfectly level. It had some ups and downs in it throughout, so it's not over a perfectly level tile floor. Just to let you know, in case you're doing it over your floor and it's not perfectly level. Let me bring you out here to a spot where I noticed now it has nothing to do now with being over the tile, being directly over the tile. I would do it again. I'm not encouraging anybody to do it, saying you got to do this or you should do it. I'm just giving you a pointer of how it looks for us. It's been 5.5 years now, but I would probably do it again without even asking a question. Now we do see scratches here, and I would recommend that you guys, if you have chairs, put felt on the bottom of your chairs. And be careful of using the felt that has nails inside of a plastic piece, because when these pop off, the nails can come through and actually scratch your flooring, which is what had happened here with one of the chairs. So if you just take a Sharpie or some kind of brown marker, you can always just put a brown marker and go over those spots right there. Use brown and black and kind of make it look like the floor again. So we've touched up a few places on the vinyl plank floor, and it looks pretty good. We would be the only ones that noticed it, but if you're not looking for it, you won't notice it. So that's about it. I would say it's gone very well. This might be the last video we do. Well, it's been 5.5 years once again, and this is the update for you. I hope you all enjoy the video, and that this gives you the information you need to make that decision on whether you would like to save some money or not. Now, a lot of people ask me, well, where did I get the vinyl plank floor? Well, we got it off of Craigslist. We paid $150. We ripped it up from somebody else's house, and it came with the underlayment and the vinyl plank. So this whole floor cost us $150. So if you want to look around, you can get it used. It's still usable. Throw out the bad pieces, keep the good ones. Hopefully that helps. Guys, have a blessed day, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Talk to you later.